Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to create a folder on Windows desktop. So you can see now the main window of my computer. So to create a folder, just right click to your mouse or your mouse pad. Then in here, you can see now the view, sort by, refresh, or other settings. But in here, just go to new and then choose folder. And in here, you can see now your folder or new folder. Just rename it sample folder 1. Then you can have now a new folder to your desktop computer. So if you want to make a subfolder or a folder under the folder, just open it. Then right click and again choose new and choose folder. Then rename it also folder 2 example. And then that's it. That's how to make a folder on Windows computer. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.